Holi is a riot of colors, and I, Nidhi Kumar, along with our Indian Size team today, would like to begin this 12th edition of Phone In program with questions related to Holi also, but mask up. इसी के साथ आप सभी को होली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Friends, the COVID 19 pandemic is raging across India. The country has recorded its biggest single day spike in 4 months with close to 47,000 new infections, even as India continues to expand its vaccine drive. The question remains that is India on a brink of another COVID 19 disaster? The cumulative number of COVID 19 vaccine doses administered in the country has crossed 5.46 crores. So today we are joined by Dr. Arvind Kumar, Associate Professor of Medicine, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. Many thanks for joining us today. Namaste.
Namaste.
Welcome to the program, sir. So my first question is, with the rise in COVID cases across the country, how can people follow the safety protocol, especially on a day like this, as Holi is there today. It is Rango ka Tyohar and people like to gather together. But of course, on gatherings, the GOI has put a ban. But how do you see this panning out?
First of all, thank you, Nidhi ji and India Science for inviting me on this platform to talk about COVID-19 and precautions and safety on the to prevent ourselves and the whole country. So, if you go back and see our drive in the month of March 2020.
Yes, I covered the drive.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, we had always talked about social vaccinations. This is something we are now dealing with biological vaccination. Social vaccination is something that is the most mandatory things at current scenario. And if we are not going to go step by step following all those steps, what I feel personally that we are going to get another disaster. If you go back and see the Spanish flu, the last pandemic which really
Absolutely affected India in a very bad way the second time.
Yes.
Yes.
So what I was about to say that the
Far more
second
deaths,
wave was
yes.
far more dangerous than the first wave.
Correct.
So probably if we are not going to follow those steps of hand hygiene, physical distancing, proper masking, we are going to get another disaster. So my humble submission and request to all our viewers, all our citizens across across our country is that we should get back and stick to basics so that we can prevent this.
Absolutely. We'll be joined by our first caller, Pulkit from Kolkata. Namaste, Pulkit. पहली बात तो होली मुबारक आप सभी को. Please ask your question, Pulkit.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Ma'am, my question is why the gap between the first and second dose the government has gone from 28 days, suggesting for the 8 weeks. What's your view?
Yeah, very good question, Pulkit ji. Basically, once we put our vaccine in a phase where we are not that much, all the phases were shortened up, the trial phases. And we came out with a data which was showed to be effective on the second dose being on 28 days. But once we were going with this research, so ultimately we found that if you make this gap a little, longer, that is 6 weeks to 8 weeks in case of Covishield, the antibody formation out of vaccine is much more compared to the, given at 28 days.
So this is a research that has come
This
out.
is a research. So this is true for Covishield. If you talk of Covaxin, the time is probably more or less same. It is just extended by 1 or 2 weeks. So this is the reason why we have extended the gap between the second dose of Covishield by around 1 month or so, to get more benefit for those who are taking this vaccine.
Absolutely. I hope that question answered, Pulkit. Thank you for joining us. Meanwhile, we have a caller from Mumbai, Shonali. Namaste, Shonali. Holi Mubarak ho. Welcome to India Science. Please ask your question.
Right, very happy Holi, ma'am. Ma'am, my question is that possible? Rather than fixed hour, government will increase the number of hours in private hospital who can give the vaccination.
Can you repeat your question? If I got you right, your question is, can we get this in private hospitals, right?
No, can you get staff? Sorry, please ask your question.
Hello?
Please ask your question.
Ma'am, is it possible that rather than fixed hour, government will increase the number of hours in private hospital who can give the vaccination?
Yes. So, if you go to CoWIN portal, it's not app, if you go to CoWIN portal, in your area, there are many other private hospitals which are being designated now. So it's very simple to find out. If at all, if you have any difficulties, you can visit to your district head office where civil surgeon or CMO sits, and you can find out. Gradually, once we are rolling out, we have to give it to private sector setups definitely. So we are in a position that we are going to increase our centers day by day, and we will include them.
Absolutely, and that I hope that's answered now. Yes, we have a question from YouTube, doctor. Are the new variants more infectious? If so, how?
I
Would
think
you explain? Because today's paper also read that there are a lot of these variants are now being found in Maharashtra, Kerala, as we speak.
Yes, Ms. Nidhi ma'am, this is the question of this hour.
Yes.
Let me tell you. So, if you see, I mean, we are now struggling with 3 strains. That one is UK strain, second is South African, third is Brazilian strain.
Correct.
So, if you talk of this strain, each strain is having around mutations of more than 20 or 20, 30 mutations. So, these many mutations make one variant. So, why these variants are important? Because we say that these are variants of concern. And why these are variants of concern is that on this particular date, we know that these are variants which has much more transmission, much more spread compared to our orthodox variants that we had. But if you ask me about lethality, about a more severe disease, time will answer this question. But yes, as far as transmission is concerned, as far as infectiousness is concerned, it is much higher compared to the common strains that we are fighting off.
Absolutely. I hope that's your question answered. We have now another caller, Aditi from Nagpur. Aditi, namaste. Welcome to India Science. Please ask your question.
Namaste, ma'am. Namaste, sir.
Namaskar.
My question is, sir, do kids really need to get the COVID-19 vaccine?
See, definitely if you ask me that kids should get it or not, so in one word the answer would be yes. But if you understand the vaccine allocation, the priorities, and if you see the whole process of rollout by our government of India, so ultimately we have to prioritize. You have to prioritize that who are the persons who want these vaccines at the first go. So if you see all this rollout process, we first targeted the healthcare workers who are the first runners. Then we targeted more than 60, and then ultimately we covered 45 with comorbidities, 45 plus with comorbidities. If you see
And now from 1st April, as we speak, it's over.
45 without comorbidities, yes ma'am. So what I mean to say that if you see the immunology of the kids, they are very prompt in their response as far as fighting with the virus is concerned. So infections causing a good immunity in childs are very good in general with any vaccine, with any microbe.
Correct.
So definitely we like them to vaccinate, but yes, we'll find a proper time when we have already covered the populations which are to be covered first, and then we'll concentrate on kids.
And interestingly, Aditi, interestingly, if you are still with us, I read a report just this morning in the paper that there is a lady who took vaccine very recently, and she's delivered a child with the same immunities, antibodies built in already. That's what the doctors have researched. So COVID is something new, and I think we'll get used to it after some time. Meanwhile, Malini from Nagpur is joining us. Yes, Malini, please ask your question. Namaste.
Hello.
Welcome to
Namaste,
India
sir.
Science.
Namaste, ma'am. I just wanted to know that do the COVID vaccines protect against the new variants? Is it really effective against them?
So that is a question that pan India everybody is asking. A billion plus Indians want
So,
to know.
Nalini, right?
Ah.
So, if you ask me, the data on this is very, 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 very scarce. Very.
Because it's a new thing,
It's
we
a
are
new
still
thing.
finding out.
So,
yes.
but one thing that I can tell you at this point of time is that if you are vaccinated, even if you get infected, there are chances
that you live.
that you are not going to get a bad infection, a bad disease.
Or you may die, and that kind of thing will not happen. You will be saved.
So you may be getting an infection, but that may probably remain asymptomatic, or if at all it comes to you, there will be a mild or moderate disease. So that is something that I can tell at this point of time. we have to yet to see what it does in some time, of course. Yes.
Absolutely. We'll be a little clearer in our research as time proceeds. Ankit from Gwalior, welcome to India Science. Please ask your question. I think there has been a little lag in the call. So meanwhile, you tell me what kind of reactions and variants do you feel will happen in the future as far as SARS-2 is concerned? Do you think it could further mutate because that is the nature of the virus?
Yeah.
And it
It's
could
a
be more
very
dangerous.
pertinent question. Actually, the nature of virus is to survive.
Correct.
And for their survival, we have to give our body. That's the most important thing. So if we are offering them a body, so they will find their ways. To find their ways, if we are developing our immunity in a stepwise manner, to curtail them out, to fight them out, they develop their own process of
So it
mutations.
depends on who's smarter, the COVID SARS virus or the
Yes,
human
exactly,
brain.
exactly.
It comes to that.
So it's a nature basically. It's
Yes.
nature of virus. We have around 900 mutations till date, and they will go on doing this. So the best answer to each and every question is that how we save, and how we save to get not them in our body, these viruses, so that this chain is broken down.
So what do you feel should happen as far as research goes? How could we outsmart the virus, perhaps?
So the most fundamental of the research is still that we have, for mutations, for being them resistant, for being them more lethal, for everything they need human body.
Correct.
So that is something very important. They cannot do these things outside
But
the body.
then what to do? They will find
For
the
tha-
body.
Yeah. So for that,
Vaccine.
social vaccination, that is
जी
dis-
अंकित जुड़ गए हमारे साथ ग्वालियर
distancing.
से एक सेकंड
Yes.
we'll come back to this very interesting
please.
conversation. Namaste Ankit, welcome to India Science. Happy Holi. Please ask your question.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, my question is, what are the ingredients in COVID-19 vaccine?
What are the ingredients in COVID-19? अरे भाई लगा लो तुम ingredient क्या?
Yeah. See, every vaccine or every drug, besides the most important molecule, that is the virus itself, it has some carriers. So if you ask me what is there in Covaxin, so there are some salts based on aluminum hydroxides. So these are imidazoles. So these are some salts which are there to hold this virus to make it a vaccine. So if you simply click on the the Ministry of MHFW site, you can get these ingredients. 2 I have already named. There are total 3 to 4 ingredients.
Doctor, here I want to ask you one question and answer the question that he has asked also simultaneously, which is, a lot of these myths and rumors are going around that there is this bovine syrup in the vaccine. ये कई जगह पढ़ने में आ रहा है कि धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाएगा कि गाय का कुछ है. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. यही हम इस प्रोग्राम के थ्रू
Yes.
बताना चाहते हैं अपने व्यूअर्स से जो पूछ रहे हैं कि पहले आप कारण बताइए क्यों पूछ रहे हैं, उसके बाद हम सवाल का जवाब देंगे. Doctors already answered the ingredients.
Okay, so that was, I didn't realize that this was the
A lot
concern.
of these scholars are
No, a big no. So
हाँ.
there are no such kind of things. Please
Do not pay
get away
heed
with all
to,
these
yes.
myths. Yes,
Go and
please.
take the vaccine.
Yeah.
Another question that is on our YouTube, and I'll just ask you, is the word that has troubled people in the last few days is double mutant. This word is really troubling most of us. Double mutant का मतलब क्या है, and what do you mean this double mutant can even become a triple mutant or a 4 times mutant or a 5 times mutant and become even more deadly? What does that double mutant?
Any variant virus is made out of a mutation. That is
Right,
most important.
right.
So that mutations can be 1 mutation, 2 mutation, 3 mutations.
But for COVID SARS-2 has mutated plus 4,000 times.
Yes.
So, but then this double mutant is being used by a lot of doctors also. What does this mean?
So now these.
I think it's a Brazil and African
Yes.
together. Yes.
So in that context, they are using this as
485 something
yes.
G. Yes.
So because they are talking about the number of genes at one loci, so they are using these terms. Nothing very specific to this, madam. No.
But how? We're joined by another caller. I'll ask my question later. Suresh from Kochi, Namaste. Welcome to India Science. Please ask your question.
Namaste, ma'am. Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Sir, my
Namaskar.
question is, what do you think is the most harmful piece of misinformation about COVID-19?
So we are only giving information. I can answer that instead of the doctor. There is no misinformation that we would like to dwell upon. And we suggest that you also keep your ears clean and only ask questions that are relevant. Thank you so much. Do you feel another lockdown could happen as we talk if things get worse? Maharashtra, 50,000 plus numbers, 148 deaths in the last 24 hours. Deaths are also now mounting up in India as we speak. What is the future? Can people be warned to have social distancing, masking up, hand sanitizing, double masking, or what is the way out? Because some of them need to go. But your schools and colleges, what is your foreseeable future?
Yes, Nidhi, locking down, yes or no, it's a difficult question for me. But yes, I think those stakeholders, the government of India, the agencies who have to take a decision on this, they will take a decision on this at right time. For me to say at this point in time that what will be happening will be mainly guided by the numbers that we see.
And the numbers are surging.
The behavior that we see.
And the numbers are
yes,
surging.
the numbers are surging up.
क्योंकि सरकार कहाँ तक कुछ कर सकती है, समाज को भी आगे
समाज को
बढ़ने
आगे करना पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल,
Exactly. बहुत अच्छा कहा आपने.
हाँ, तो ये कैसे? अब एस्ट्राजेनेका की वैक्सीन के बारे में 2 सवाल हमारे यूट्यूब पे आए हैं
Please.
कि इज इट ओके टू टेक दैट आफ्टर 2 वीक्स या फिर वो जैसे अभी बताया है कोविशील्ड के लिए पूछ रहे हैं कि 8 हफ्तों का गैप दिया जाए. आप कैसे देखते हैं इसको?
So AstraZeneca is nothing but Covishield.
Yeah.
So if you have taken first vaccine,
जी.
so if you see now, the timing has been increased from 28 days to 6 weeks or
Correct.
8 weeks.
हाँ,
So
क्योंकि ये कॉलर हमारे साथ अभी ज्वाइन हुए तो ये
Yes.
बताना जरूरी है.
So
Thank
so
you.
so if you go to your center, you'll not be given at 28 days now.
Yes.
Because of that reason, it has been extended to 1.5 months to 2 months now.
हाँ.
2 months. I
We
believe.
have another caller meanwhile. Kuldeep from Surat. Namaste Kuldeep. Welcome to India Science. Happy Holi. Please ask your question.
Really, ma'am, my question is, people taking the co-vaccine, COVID shield, how protected are they against the new variant, doctor?
Again, the same.
Same question. So I will answer it again. See, at this point of time, if you ask me in terms of data, we really don't have. But one thing, be rest assured that one thing, if you have taken the vaccine, if you are going to get the infection would be milder.
Will just touch you and perhaps you'll not even come to know. You'll perhaps be only asymptomatic.
Yes.
And even if you have symptoms, they would be very, very less compared to what kind of a, meteoric rise it would be in the variant if you were not vaccinated.
And these variants at these particular dates are just more in their transmission. They are not lethal at particular
But
this
they
date.
can become lethal.
Yes, they can. So the time will tell once the data
But
comes
how
up,
does
yes.
a variant become lethal and infectious? What are the differences?
So,
what does it thrive to become lethal?
The phenomena is called as this immunity escape phenomena. So the vaccines that we make gives us immunity. The infections that we get gives us immunity if we get a mild infections. So these mutations in viruses has these kind of mutations which make them through a process called as immune escape phenomena. So the immune molecules that we make in our body, those molecules not act on these viruses ultimately. So the central dogma is this only, that they escape this immunology, they escape these immune molecules, and then they affect more rapidly and more lethally in our bodies.
Yes. We're joined by another caller, Shambhavi from Delhi. Namaste, welcome to India Science. Please ask your question, Shambhavi.
Okay. My question is, why is that those who took the vaccine, some of them are testing positive several days after their second dose? So, I mean, could it be that the virus is becoming resistant to the vaccine?
No, anyhow, see, no virus is 100% efficient. Try to understand this. If you see the data, the Covaxin or Covishield, we talk about 80%, 81%, 90% in some of the papers. But yes, even if you have taken vaccine, getting infection is there. But what is more important is getting infection is not equivalent to getting a disease. That is most important. So maybe if you cross-sectionally, test, let's say 10 people at a proper place, you'll find 5 of them being positive, but 5 of them are asymptomatic. But what I mean to say is that even if you've got vaccine, you can get positive, but that positivity will not lead to you to in danger.
Another
That is-
YouTube question coming to us now is, and it's coming over and over again, so I need to take this. Is India going very slow with the drive? Should we get more options like Covaxin and the nasal vaccine? People are asking, writing in to find out. Because the numbers that were given by GOI was to get 50 lakh crores vaccinated by July. That is an unlikely figure considering the statistics right now. So we need to do 20 lakhs a day perhaps to
Yes, I mean, with all resources, with all, I mean...
people are showing a little hesitancy, doctor, because GOI is ready.
That is something very important.
Yes.
I mean, because see, we have to see that we have opened for the population and how many of them have taken. So this is something very, very important which you asked right now.
Yes.
We have opened up, we have provoked them, we have educated them, we
We
have
have
tried
made
to...
the vaccine, we've given
Even
the vaccine.
then, we have to really see this.
Yes.
That population is still not taken. All of them are not taken the vaccine. So that is very, very important. That is number one. Number two is, if the question is that should we expedite? Yes, we should expedite as much as we can. We should go down and cover as much as population we can do, because this is the time. This is the time that we should do it with all force, with all...
एंड एज अ डॉक्टर इन एम्स मैं जानना चाहूंगी आपसे कि अगर कोई डिसेबल्ड है जो नहीं आ सकता अपने घर के बाहर, तो क्या आप लोगों ने कोई प्रोविजन सोचा है उसके लिए कि उसके दरवाजे तक वैक्सीन दी जाए, क्योंकि बहुत ज़रूरी है कहीं ना कहीं कि ऐसे लोगों को की खास देखभाल की जाए.
मेरा ये मानना है कि काफ़ी अच्छा क्वेश्चन है ये आपका. लेकिन आज की डेट में अगर हम देखें तो हम जिस अप्रीहेंशन से निकल के आ रहे थे, तो आज के समय में ये बहुत ज़रूरी था कि उस अप्रीहेंशन को कम किया जाए. तो उसके लिए जो प्रावधान किए गए थे कि वैक्सीन देने के बाद हाफ एन आवर के लिए हम उनको ऑब्जर्व करें उसी सेंटर पे. तो जहाँ तक अगर ओपिनियन की बात है कि अगर एक टाइम फ्लो के बाद ये चीज़ें होनी चाहिए, लेकिन आज के समय में इन लोगों के लिए ये व्यवस्था बिल्कुल बनाई गई है कि अगर वो सेंटर पे जाएं, उनके लिए अलग से व्यवस्था की गई है कि उनको क्यू में नहीं जाना पड़ेगा. उनके लिए उनको हम वैक्सीन जल्दी से दे देंगे, ये वही मिल जाएगा. और वो उसके लिए पूरा एक सिस्टम प्रिपेयर किया गया है.
जो भी इस तरह के लोग हैं आप लोगों के घरों में, आपसे ये विनती है कि जरूर ये प्रोग्राम देखें और समझें कि हर हॉस्पिटल में इस तरह की सुविधा है. आई वुड से दिस इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू टू बेटर अंडरस्टैंड. देयर आर व्हील चेयर्स एट द हॉस्पिटल्स फॉर एनी ऑफ यू हु मे बी हैविंग एनी डिसेबिलिटी problem. This is a very inclusive system by the GOI. All provisions have been taken care of, but you need to go to that hospital because half an hour time is given for you to recoup, for them to understand that you have no allergic reaction to the vaccine or need not to be administered with some other thing. Thank you all. Yes. We have now Shivani. She's joining us from Meerut. Namaste, Shivani. Please ask your question, Shivani. Welcome to India Science.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, my question is, how different is the government strategy going to be for this second wave in India?
Sorry, can you repeat that? How different is?
How different is the government strategy going to be for this second
What
wave
is the
in India?
strategy? Basically, she wants to know lockdown lagega, nahi lagega. I guess that is the question.
So Shivani, it's a good question, but I think on the behalf of government, it would be difficult for me to answer that question. But yes, if you can ask me suggestions, I can give you that we have to definitely increase our drive as much as we can. We have to educate and we have to warn our population. I mean, on a larger extent, you know, because unless we learn our behaviors right, we are going to get another a big wave. We are going to endanger the whole country. So what I mean to say is that this is a time that government is responsible, but side by side we are more responsible.
Also, please, there is a sub-question to that. Please elucidate for our viewers, what is the government protocol for Holi?
So
क्या
you know,
गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ कहा है कैसे खेलनी चाहिए?
Yes,
लेकिन
government ने
मेरे
कुछ
ख्याल
कहा है।
पाबंदी लगा दी है.
सो आप अभी जो है आप इकट्ठे नहीं हो सकते निजी संस्थानों में, अपने इंस्टीट्यूट्स में, अपने ऑफिसेज में आप होली मिल के नहीं मना सकते. तो लेट्स टेक अ प्लेज दैट विल फॉलो दैट. विल हैव अ नमस्ते होली दिस टाइम. सो विल हैव अ नमस्ते बॉन्ड.
एक दिया जला देंगे.
हम दिया जलाएंगे, हम सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, लेकिन हम
Be with your loved ones, be with your near ones, and I'm sure at this time most of you have finished that Holi, playing spur because it's now what, 3 o'clock, 3:30, we're nearing that period. So by that time they're all going in for a bath and all that. But even in future, I mean, instead of really having that kind of a splash, it's better to be with your family, enjoy, be with your
Yes.
loved ones.
Yes, this is an
Play a safe
opportunity.
volley.
Yeah, it's a COVID learning that we have to. Basically, I
yes.
mean, this is a time that we should, devise our means to enjoy life.
Yes, absolutely.
Being in family, I mean, being together, having a.
Kunal is joining us, doctor, from Punjab. Kunal, namaste. India Science welcomes you on this special occasion of Holi. Please ask your question.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. So my question is, when should a COVID recovered person take the vaccine?
Very good question, Kunal. See, Kunal, once you are recovered from COVID infection, a total time of 4 weeks to 6 weeks should be given for you to take a vaccine. Because that is a time when we have, your body is ready to generate antibodies from the vaccine given. Because in that duration, your body is weak. So you should not take the vaccine just after the infection. Give yourself around 4 to 6 weeks. 6
And
weeks.
even after you take the vaccine, you need to go in for all the social distancing.
Yes, that is the most
It's not
important
that
thing.
you can go haywire, I've got the vaccine, now I will not get the virus. The virus is smarter. Yes, doctor?
Yes, definitely.
Any other? We have another caller, Savita from Ujjain. Namaste, Savita. Please ask your question.
Namaste, ma'am. Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Happy Holi. I wanted to know that I want to travel to Kolkata in recent days, but I've got to know that we need to produce our COVID test at the airport. So is it like a mandatory thing to undergo test despite that I have taken the test like around 1.5 months back? So can I produce that report itself, or we need to produce another
Actually,
report also?
basically, the answer to this question is basically no. But now, as a process, each and every state has made their own guidelines. So, if West Bengal or Calcutta wants that, you have to do a testing in around 72 hours. Do a RT-PCR from some authentic lab, take the report with you, and then go to the airport.
And it is the period given for that is 72 hours before. So you cannot show a report that is
Yeah.
either 24 hours or over 72 hours. They will not consider it valid. You need to take a RT-PCR test 72 hours before you check into any airport. I've gone through the norms, so I know. Any airport in India, they're asking this. But primarily, doctor, as far as immunity is concerned, it is the buzzword, and people are looking into their cupboards for all kinds of immunity developing foods or natural immunity developers. How would you like to tell everybody today to outsmart the virus by eating well, by eating healthy? What could be the mechanism of developing more immunity?
Yes. So if you ask me, the one message that this COVID pandemic has given us is our lifestyle,
Yes.
is our behavior, is our eating habits.
And lifestyle contains so
Yes.
many diseases, whether it's diabetes or anything else,
So
hypertension.
it's not about taking some immune booster pills of some companies like they are spreading like anything. But yes, it's your normal lifestyle. You eat healthy, homemade food, sleep well, hydrate yourself well. Those are the only things. You don't have to do nothing extra. If you are curtailing your normal good habits, that means you are compromising your immunity.
No, the questions that are again coming to us is about lockdowns, and I would like to clarify that
Yes.
neither you or I are competent to talk about lockdowns, but we can certainly talk about precautions.
Precautions.
And what are the precautions that you would like to give to people? A lot of people are dependent on vitamins because people are saying vitamin D, C, or a conjunction of both of these could help. Is that true, or should they look for it in natural foods like amla?
Yeah. So anything and everything that has been used there for since years in a normal, doses, nothing extra. If you use them in your daily foods, Amla is very good thing. I think no problem.
But doctor, you spoke about the Spanish flu a little while back when we had a caller and we had to interrupt. So can you please elucidate what happened at the end of the second wave in the Spanish flu and how we should take lessons from that perhaps for this?
Yes, so that is very important to, that is it talked here, because Spanish flu is something which I feel, because I was not there that time, but I read it. So what I read that probably we are going to repeat that. Let's not that happen, but what happened that time is, after first wave, these behaviors were not taken very seriously by the population that time. The laxity of the precautions, the laxity of the steps, the laxity of distancing and masking was there that time also. So that was the
This is
reason.
1919.
Yeah, this was the reason why the second wave was very, very disastrous. We lost almost around 2 crore population that time. So imagine the total population and then our loss. So we should probably learn from that story. And we should, this is the high time now that we should stick to basics. That is still, I will say, repeat again, is your mask wearing, proper mask wearing, hand hygiene, physical distancing, and avoiding mobby places. So those are things which we should take care, or we are going to put ourselves in problem.
Absolutely. And in the end, I'd like to thank you, Dr. Arvind Kumar, for joining us today. And this is a wrap on the 12th edition of the Phone In. We can never tire of saying this, don't show me your face. But then that is a fact. Don't show me your face. Now, mask up India, because only a tiny minuscule of India has been vaccinated. Until all of us are done with the vaccination, it is indeed our pledge today to mask up and to take particular precautions during this pandemic period. And on that note, many thanks for watching. Keep watching India Science. Namaste.
Thank you.